Let's get it. Happy Tuesday. Wake it up. Get ready. Grab your bands. Grab your water. Get your mat. We're getting started in about 1 minute. We'll hop right into it. Get ready. Text your friends. Tell them get here. Happy Tuesday. Woo. But I can change, man. Aiming for your body, trying to get your brain. Because I'm poverty, man, we ain't have the thing. There's a lot of animosity, but they won't say my name. Them killers rock with me, don't get paid. Cause they have to do that job for me while I hop on the plane. Y'all, 45 seconds.
Yes, sir. You know this, happy 4th of July, Vegas. Let's get it down.
Jack, beat steady knocking.
Yeah.
Middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking.
Yeah.
All the girls Jack, beat steady knocking.
Yeah.
Middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking.
Yeah.
All the girls Jack, beat steady
We're going crazy today. We're doing some new movements today. Get excited.
You can hate, but your girl steady
Do some new movements.
Can't do it on the sheet popping. We ball popping. You rocking.
Got about 30 more seconds.
CD flopping. Say you getting money, man. We ain't seen nothing.
Hope everybody had an awesome new year. We're going to kick it off right, y'all. We'll kick it off right. We'll dive into it. High intensity today. Get excited. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get it started. Welcome to Competitive by Nature. We're going live, all right? We're going to go ahead and get it right going, all right? Go ahead and turn your watches on. High intensity interval training. Turn the watches on now, all right? We're going ham. All gas, no bricks. You know the goal. 600 calories is the goal. We're going to turn it up. Here we go. All right? We're going to start out with nice shoulder rolls. I'm on 45. We bend your knee. I want you to rotate those shoulders forward. We're going to loosen up a little bit. Loosen it up. Yo. Open it up. Those shoulders should be up by your ears. 10 seconds. Alright, go ahead and take it back. Same thing, take it backwards.
Never ever shoot a load of net. You a rookie, I'm a vet.
Yo.
That's why I got a Glock, you got a tip.
Yo.
Not check. These checks.
Good rotation.
I flooded out my paddock with baguettes. I curved Tiffany, for Jess.
Make sure you do that slight bend in your knee. 10 seconds.
In bikini bottom, I was sad. But we should keep on drinking, not a brand.
5,
Eat them like
4, 3, 2, time. I want those elbows horizontal. We'll get nice twists. Keep that slight bend in your knee. Squeeze the core. Hop in.
Trying to sub me laying down and
Yo.
Sit up, hot box.
Keep that core tight.
We grill beef, charcoal.
Still loosen up that body. We'll speed it up in just a minute. Don't you worry.
Need job calls. Used to use EDT to get seafood. Now I move it east when I want Kiku. She wanna hang, gotta let the gang G you. Metro worth a lot of M's, D2. Hanging out my
twist.
is a rock.
10 seconds.
Is a block. The body in that casket was a
5, 4, 3, 2, time. I want those hands on those hips. Keep that slight bend in your knee. I want nice rotation. Nice rotation. Loosen it up.
Last altercation got 100 rounds in them. All my stocks got a lot of bloodhounds in them. Ain't no furniture, it's just a lot of pounds.
Yeah.
Perks off hard and I got the brown in them. Put up on the clock, chop on me the round.
Get that good extension with that hip. Make a big circle.
Got a lot of sticks, you can get stamped. Trying to mediate a beef, we get found. All these chains, rest in peace.
5 seconds.
Bro, they doing too much clubbing. Cashed out on all my cards to the
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Take it the opposite way. Big circles with your hips.
When you see them face to face,
Woo.
hanging up my earlobes is a rock.
2021, we got goals, baby. We're getting after it this year.
That casket was a I don't throw no bottles, I throw shots. All this drip on me, I need a month.
Big circles.
Balenciaga boxes in the sock.
15 seconds.
Girls on a yacht. 10 pretty girls on a yacht.
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles.
5,
Running on
4,
dog.
3, 2, time. Get a nice bounce, all right? For the rest of the workout, I want you to have a nice bounce in between each exercise. If you can't bounce, I want you marching in place, all right? First exercise, we'll start out with that lunge. You're stepping out with it. We're getting the body loose. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's go. Big steps. You're pushing off that front leg. Push off that front leg. Explode back.
Need you to go away. Still going bad on me way.
15 seconds.
Lot of murder coming in a hallway. I got a sticky and I keep it down my dog's place. Girl, I left you love.
10 seconds.
Still going bad on you.
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. Next one. I want quick pace, knee raise. Bring that knee to your chest. Hop in. 2, 1, hop in. Squeeze that core. Notice I'm picking that pace up. Bring that knee to that chest.
Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real.
Woo.
She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish.
Get that pace up. 15 seconds.
That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I've been having my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't know that you said.
10 seconds.
You ain't got the ass when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTO, yeah, we back again, going
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. Next up, we're going to that air squat. Hands are going up when you squat. Pick your pace up. 2, 1, hop in. Push at the top. Notice my pace. The pace should match mine. Don't cheat that squat though.
Yes, sir. You know this mixed squad takeover 4th of July.
Yeah.
We doing it a major way. Right now, DJ.
15 seconds.
Switch it out, please. He did his Thursday number 1.
10 seconds.
With the fedora. Yes. He don't got the red or the blue fedora. Still a black one.
5,
I ain't know if he was gonna come
4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. We're going back to that lunge when you pick that knee up. Pick that knee up when you step out. In 2, and 1, hop in.
You gotta hold your weight with it, man. You do. This is true. This is true. When you go after your mentor, you can't come in half step.
Keep those hands up. Got that knee up.
And foot. Right.
Engage that core.
Everybody, I'm looking on my little timeline. Everybody going to get all these fireworks or whatnot right now. Let's do it. And I told people yesterday about some little fun.
15 seconds.
I want y'all to have a ball with these fireworks tonight. I don't want nobody catching on fire. No fingers, ball shot out. No fingers, holes see.
10 seconds.
Ridiculousness or jackass. I just hope Terry tries to
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Go back to that speed race with the knee. In 2, and 1, hop in.
Let the kids handle none of the fireworks. Y'all should know better than that, but I'm guilty. I'm guilty.
Bring that knee to your chest.
Light them and everything. R.I.P. my legs. Always protect yourself. Keep you some kind of
Keep that pace up.
or some gloves around so you light the fireworks. Stay protected, man. Don't get burned up. Stay
15 seconds.
Shut up, baby. Shut your ass. Keep going. Keep it under the water.
Keep working.
You need some water in there just in case something do catch on fire. Cause you never know. You know what I'm saying? The fireworks, when they lit, they get
10 seconds.
Yeah, they got a destination. And light them from the ground, man. Don't hold the fireworks and light them in your hand.
Work it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. You got that squat. In 3, 2, 1. Hop in. That body's warmed up now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pick it up. Pick it up. Press to the top. 15 seconds. Five seconds. 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. We'll pick the pace up even more. We're starting here with it. Alright? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. All gas, no brakes today. Y'all need no brakes. We get better in 2021. Let's work. Let's go. Oh yeah. Bounce those toes. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. We got that high knee. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. Breathe. Pump your arms. Yeah. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. We got T squat. We're here with it. Tap the floor. 2, 1. Hop in. Come on, we up with it. Oh yeah. I told you working today, y'all. And I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to the top. 5 seconds on the break. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's work. We're working today, y'all. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Check in with me and do your job.
Little Vegas
is the name. And Baller did the
15 seconds.
For the watch. Quasi plain Jane. Rest in peace to my superior.
Yep. 10 seconds.
Taking pictures cause I'm hysteria. Mama see me all day.
Squeeze that core. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Back to that bounce. You got that high knee. Push it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Up those arms. Woo. Yep. You almost got a break. Keep pushing. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Get that T squat. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's go. Come on, we up. Tap that floor.
I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty people in me. I see Ruby, I might eat it for me.
15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Come on, then, Vegas.
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Grab some water, you earned it. Body should be warmed up now. Let me know how we feeling. Woo! Grab your bands. Yeah. That body should be warmed up now. Woo! Oh, that band, but you need. Let's show you why you get your water. First exercise. Bands above the knee. We're doing squat, toe raise, stand up. That's a squat, toe raise, stand up. Modification. Squat, stand up, toe raise. Alright? 5, 4. Start bouncing. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Toe raise. Squat. Toe raise. Stand up. Squat. Toe raise. Stand up. Squat. Toe raise. Stand up. Let's go. Let's work. Woo! It's already burning a little bit. 15 seconds.
Good. If you want to, I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Back in the man is gone. She like I smell cologne.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Quality movement.
Know I want good. Play if you want to, I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah.
5,
Back in the man
4,
is gone. She like I smell
3, 2, time. Next exercise. Win the lunge. Alright? Left leg up first. I want you to lunge. Kick out. Lunge. Kick out. Lunge. Kick out. Working that right glute. Alright? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg up. Hop into it. Lunge. Kick out. Lunge. Kick out. Lunge. Kick out. Squeeze that back glute. That squeeze that core, you're gonna fall forward.
He just put it out in this piece.
Yeah.
Back in the man is gone. She like I smell cologne.
15 seconds.
I know I want good. Play if you want to, I'm a young
Keep working.
sure. Yeah. Back in the man is gone. She like I smell cologne.
5 seconds. 3, 2, time. Check it out. Right leg up. Same thing. Sit down that lunge. Kick back. Lunge. Kick back. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Squeeze that glute. Modification. Sit down in it. Stand up. Then kick back. Sit down in it. Stand up. Then kick back. It's a modification. 15 seconds.
Reason why your dog in the jail. Main reason why he eating cheese and ham. My brother APA sitting in the jail.
Keep working.
Get free room, that let him
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Legs are burning up. Shake it out. Next movement. I want you to sit down in that squat. I want you to step back with it. Alright? Don't leave that squat. Stay in that squat the whole time. Alright? Here we go. 3, 2, you should be bouncing. 1. Hop in. Let's work. Stay low in that squat. Squeeze that core. If you don't feel it, you're too high. Get low. Step back with straight leg. Keep that chest up. Keep that head up. Woo! 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Check it out. You about to take a squat with toe raise. Alright? Squat, toe raise. Stand up. Thrust to the top. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. Get that pace up. Trust in that top. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, time. I'm actually burning. More that lunge with a donkey kick. Squeeze that glute. Lunge, donkey kick. Lunge, donkey kick. Left leg up first. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Push it out. Squeeze that glute. Squeeze that glute. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! You should feel that lower back too. Strengthen that lower back. Right leg up. Same concept. Get that good squeeze in that glute. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. Woo! 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Bounce and shake it out. We're going to a squat step backs. Sit in that squat, step back with it. Alright? Keep that chest and head up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just work. Yeah. Just work. Let's work. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Stay low. Yeah. 15 seconds. Yeah. Stay low in that squat. 10 seconds.
It's DJ Lil Vegas.
5, 4, 3, 2, time. We're not done yet. We're in with that good old those hands up, all right? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Let's work. Stay low with it, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Mind over matter. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Grab some water, y'all. You earned it. Good work. We got that plank work next. We'll engage that core. We'll engage that upper body. Get excited. Grab some water. Get back to that balance. Y'all should be feeling it now. Let me know if you feel it. You should feel that your legs, your glutes, your lower back should be engaged too. Woo! Here we go. While you get your water, first exercise. It's a push-up. Back to a plank, you're going to reach. Push-up. Back to a plank, you're going to reach. That's what it looks like. I'm in a push-up plank. Push-up. Reach. Push-up. Reach. Keep the core engaged the whole time. Modification. You still your knees. Push-up. Reach. Push-up. Reach. Alright? Core's engaged the whole time. Find your way to your mat. Oh yeah. Here we go, getting started. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's work. Make sure you reach. Keep the core tight. Quality movement. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Alright? Next exercise. You're holding that plank. Right knee across the body. Outside to your elbow. Go to your left knee. Across to your elbow. Outside to your elbow. That's what it looks like. I'm holding the plank. Across. Outside. Left leg. Across. Outside. Right leg across. Outside. You get tired? Hold the plank. Keep the core tight the whole time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Look at that knee as you move it. Look at that knee while you move it. Try to touch that elbow. Squeeze that core 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Y'all should start to feel in your shoulders. Core should be tight. Next up, that good old-fashioned mountain climbers. Alright? Hold that plank. Drive the knee. Drive the knee. All you're doing is running in a plank. Alright? 5 seconds on the break. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. 10 seconds. Bring that butt down. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Go back to the top. We got that push up with a reach. Push up with a reach. I know it hurts. Let's do it. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Make sure you get a good reach. Woo. Control your body. 15 seconds.
Hey DJ Lil Vegas.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Next one. We got that play. Knee across. Knee outside. Knee across. Knee outside. 5 seconds. Oh yeah. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Look at that knee as you move it. Seconds. Keep that core tight. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! You're not feeling it right now, you're playing. We got mountain climbers next, get ready. 5 seconds on the break. Here we go. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Hop in it. Let's work. Push it out. You got one break after this.
Yes, sir. Mix of Hard Takeover 4th of July, baby. Happy 4th of July to everybody out there on
15 seconds.
enjoying yourself, kicking it with us. Rocking out to my dog, DJ Lil Vegas.
Squeeze that cord. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Grab some water, you earned it. Body should be hurting right now. Get that water.
Of course, they're going to have in the Grasshopper game at 7. In High Point, they got a baseball game. The Rockets play at 6.
You can't get back to that bounce. You're building that stamina up.
Till 9. Burlington, they got a
You almost there, y'all. Third quarter.
Third quarter. They got a game as well. 6:30. Fireworks kicking off at 9 tonight as well. Vegas, if you want to see any
Let me know how you feeling.
Well,
She's comments
I'm
saying.
gonna try to, cause you know I get up at 9.
yeah,
So
you'll be pushing.
Y'all got this? All right.
You'll be pushing
Let's get it then.
if you were to try to do that. If you do be safe.
We'll keep burning those shoulders up, all right? We'll keep burning those shoulders up. First exercise.
shot in the chest.
Look at me while you drink your water, all right?
They won't listen to Fat G.
Your hands. Up. Up. Jack. Jack. While you doing this movement, your feet are stepping back. That's all you're doing. Feet are stepping back. That's all you're doing, all right? You're doing this movement the whole time. Oh, you pick the pace up. That's what it looks like. Ah. Looks like this. All right? That's the pace. That's the pace. All right? 5, 4, start bouncing. 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Let's go. Get the pace up. Yeah. Yeah. Squeeze that core. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Next exercise. You're gonna raise the roof. While you raise the roof, you're gonna add jumping jack with it. Alright? Modification. Sitting at 45 degrees, you're here with it. Alright? Squeeze that core. 5, 4, start bouncing. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulders should be burning. Fifteen seconds. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Shake it out. Next one. You got slams. Hands are up like you got a hammer in it. Slam down. Slam down. Slam down. Squeeze that core. 5, 4, 3. Start bouncing. 2, 1. Let's work. Breathe when you come down with it. Come down with force. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! We're going back to the top. Almost there, y'all. Back to the top. Stepping back with it. Stepping back with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get that pace up. Woo! 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. You got these next. You better tap bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
It
15 seconds. Push it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. We almost there, y'all. We got slams next. Woo! 5 seconds. You're here with it. Come down with force. All right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's work. Now water after this, push it through.
How you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil, I'm in the building and I'm feeling my
15 seconds.
great, I'ma do it for the day, okay? Getting paid, we'll holler whenever that stop. My team
10 seconds.
really need a mascot. Tell tune light one, pass it like a relay. YMCMB, come on YMCA.
5, 4, 3, 2, time. Grab some water, y'all. Get core next. Way to push. We almost there, y'all. Keep working.
she wrong, then again, maybe she win. I know scared till she know that they're real. Now she want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the motto. Get yellow, we got it every day.
First exercise. I want those feet going over from side to side. Feet going over from side to side. While you're on your back. Hands underneath the lower part of your back. That's what it looks like. Hands. Feet are straight. Go side to side. Feet do not touch the ground, alright? You should go higher than a foot off the ground, okay? Don't go higher than a foot off the ground. You got 10 seconds. Find your mat. You're almost there, y'all. 5. Get in position. 4. 3. 2. 1. Hop in. Let's go. Control your feet. Squeeze the core.
That boy going loco. Happy 4th of July to you, DJ Lil Vegas.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. 4. 3. 2. Time. That's exercise. We got reverse crunch. Your knees are bent the whole time. You bring your knees back, you bring your hips off the floor. That's what it looks like. Hands underneath the lower part of your back. Bring your knees up. Feet never touch the floor. Alright? Here we go. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Pop in. Let's work. 4th quarter. Push it out. Keep the pace up.
Hey, mama, see the head. Trip too hard, don't try on the stage. She told me that hand don't give her no skate.
Push it.
Behave.
15 seconds.
You wanna rap, who got real? Damn, no shit, I want me a with a meter to bust it open.
10 seconds. 5. 4. 3. 2. Time. Woo! That's exercise.
Hey,
Get a plank with your elbows. I want you to do is reach out. Reach out from a plank. That's what it looks like. Hold the plank, reach out. Hold the plank, reach out. That's all you're doing. Tap out in front of you. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hop in. Let's go. Squeeze that core. Try not to move your hips too much. You get tired, hold the plank. Once you catch your breath, you're back to it. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Alright? Back to the top. I want your feet going side to side. Side to side. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push it out, you're almost there. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, First crunch. Keep your knees bent. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push it out. Bring your hips off the floor. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Oh man. The last one. You got that flick with your elbows. 5 seconds. 5, 4, plank reach. 3, 2, 1, go. Last one, you make it good. Woo! 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
And tell them to get a one-way train to Vegas. DJ Lil Vegas, that
5,
in the mix on 102 Jam.
4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Guess what, y'all? We made it. We made it. Clap it up for yourselves. And guess what? 44 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm going to stop it right there. 44 minutes and 50 seconds. All gas, no brakes. Way to work today, y'all. Clap it up for yourselves. Good push. Heck of a push. Heck of a push. Don't hang up yet. You know we got to stretch it out, all right? We got to stretch it out. Go ahead and make your way to your feet. Make your way to your feet. I hope y'all felt that one. Woo! I might take a nap after this. Go ahead and spread your legs. We're going to stretch it out. Both hands. Right foot. I want you to hold it. Try to bring their hands close to your knee as possible. Hold. Woo. Man, I hope y'all felt that one. Good push today. Way to push. I know it's hard, but the more you stick with it, the better it becomes. The reason why we move in between each exercise, go down the middle. The reason why you move between each exercise is to help you increase your stamina, help you build your endurance. All right, it's working your heart. Strong heart, strong body. Your heart's a muscle, you gotta train it. All right, reach to the left, hold it. Woo. All right, up. Bring your feet in. Let your feet bring your body in. We're going to that squat. All right. Push your feet outward. Push your feet outward. We're going to squat down. Elbows, push your knees out. Push your pelvis forward and hold. Y'all shouldn't be doing this work by yourself. Invite your friends. Encourage them to join you. I know everybody got new year, new me goals. I want to get my body tight. I want to look like I did 10 years ago. Listen, I'm telling you firsthand, these workouts work. All right? I know it's hard, but they work. They'll tone you up. They'll help you lean out. If you're trying to lose weight, they'll help you lose weight. If you're trying to pack on muscle, it can help you pack on muscle. All right? If you're somebody that lifts weights all the time, you got to diversify your workout. You can't do the same thing all the time. This is a great diversification of your workout. See, I said diversification. All right. Here we go. Right arm across your body. Left arm behind your elbow. I want you to hold it. All right. There's 3 ways you can support CBN. Hit the Cash App. $, Competitive by Nature. Venmo, @Competitive by Nature. You can get you some merch. All right. Hit the link in the Instagram bio. Get you some merch. You got t-shirts. We got sweatshirts. Last but not least, tag us in your stories. Switch it up. Tag us in your stories. All your friends should know about CBN. All right? Take a picture of your watch. Take a picture of your shirt. I hope y'all sweating a little bit. All right? Tag us. When we post this workout on the page, like it. Write some comments. Let us know what you thought about it. Give us feedback. All right, right on behind your head. Push it down. Stay consistent, y'all. If you do these type of exercises 4 times a week, you're going to see results. All right. If you're looking for something to do, hit that YouTube channel. Hit that IGTV. The catalog is getting thick. All right. Hit them workouts up. Switch it up. We back at it again Thursday. All right. Thursday, 5:30. Coach Jamil said he got some heat for y'all. Look, Coach Jamil been off for about 2 weeks. He said he'd come back with some fire. So y'all better get ready. All right. Woo. That's it. Clap it up for yourselves. Way to push. Way to kick the new year off right. We're going to go ahead and break it down. Fist up in the air. Family on 3. Family on me. 1, 2, 3. Family. All right. Love y'all. Love y'all. Let me see what the comments say. Let me see what the comments say. New body, new year. Oh, yeah. New words, new year. Okay. Good first workout of the year. Good. Oh, we tired. Good. I'm glad we tired. Good. We got Stove in the house. All right, Stove. Good work, y'all. Nice. Nice. All right, y'all. I'm going to shut this down. We will see y'all on Thursday. Peace.